Hey there, welcome back to Dr. T's Cookbook of Awesomeness. Today we're making turkey meatballs. These meatballs are awesome on pasta, but we're going to make it into a sandwich. We're going to smother in provolone and toast it up in the oven. So sit back and enjoy the awesomeness. Let's take a look at our ingredients. First off is ground turkey. And right now it's a cold, lifeless abomination of ground meat. But with help from our pantry, we will transform it into a tasteful delight. Next is Nutritional Yeast Flakes. What's this? No idea, but it's supposed to have that umami stuff in it, and the label says you can put it on popcorn if you hate yourself. And then we have soy sauce, the nectar of the Asian gods. And then lastly, we have anchovy paste, where umami is gooder. At least that's what the TV tells me. Alright, first off, we're going to take this anchovy paste, squirt about a tablespoon here into this giant glass bowl of ours, and then we're going to grab that soy sauce, the nectar of the gods, squirt in about 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to mix it up like a madman. Okay, now we have that thoroughly combined, so grab our turkey, throw that in the bowl, and we'll go get our nutritional yeast flakes. Let's add maybe about 2 tablespoons or so of that. Grab that pepper. Don't want to forget to season. We won't put any salt in here because we have soy sauce and anchovy paste, which is already pretty salty. Now we'll get our hands dirty. Just fold it in by hand and make sure everything is thoroughly mixed in. Okay, now we're just going to take this ice cream scooper mabobber thingy, and we're going to use it to make uniformly sized meatballs. We're not going to handle the mixture too much. We don't want to make the proteins tighten up and make our meatballs tough. So just scoop them out, lightly form them, and stick them on the tray. And now off to the oven we go to bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. And magically we're done. We want to check the internal temperature of our meatballs. We want to get over 165 and we're 182, so we're safe there. No salmonella for us. Okay, here we are at the penultimate step. We're assembling our sandwiches. Let's put some meatballs on our hoagie buns here and fit as many meatballs as you can on there because meatballs are awesome. Then we're gonna smother it with some marinara sauce. I usually make my own sauce, but I had an old jar sitting in the back of the pantry, so I'm using that up. A good helping per meatball, and then we're gonna throw on some cheese. I'm using provolone here, but feel free to use whatever you like. Mozzarella, provolone, white American, Parmesan, all of the above. Cheese is awesome. And just smothered on there. We want every piece covered in cheese. Now let's throw it in the broiler and get that cheese melted and toasty. Unfortunately, my battery ran out, so I just have these still shots to show you the finished product. But when you combine the umami flavors in the yeast flakes, the soy sauce, the anchovy paste, it really gets absorbed to that meat and creates a moist and flavorful meatball that rivals the flavor of any ground beef based meatball. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video or learned something new today, please hit like and subscribe. Until then, stay awesome.